If you're using Starlink Mini in an RV or a van, this is one of those small upgrades that can make your setup look a lot cleaner. This is the Acegoo Starlink Mini Wall Pass-Through Kit, and it's designed to create a clean, weatherproof way to route power through your RV, van, boat, or battery box. So what I like is that it's made entirely from aluminum instead of plastic, so it feels really solid and durable. It includes the components needed to create a dedicated pass-through point, helping eliminate the need to run cables through windows, doors, or temporary openings. So if you're building a mobile internet setup, organization becomes important pretty quickly. This helps create a cleaner installation while protecting cable connections from weather and everyday wear. Now, I can see this being especially useful for RV owners, van lifers, boat owners, or anyone building a portable Starlink setup. So if you're putting together a Starlink mini system and want a cleaner, more professional looking installation, this is definitely an accessory worth checking out. So I highly recommend this Acegoo aluminum wall pass-through kit.